Ever wished you could copy-paste your favorite gene? Well, scientists actually do that, and it's called cDNA synthesis. Let's see how they pull this off in just 7 cool steps. First up, step 1, extraction of mRNA. Scientists isolate mature mRNA from eukaryotic cells, the ones that already had their introns cut out. Think of it like taking only the final, edited movie instead of the raw footage full of mistakes. This mRNA is the clean, useful script we need. Step 2, reverse transcriptase in action. Now enters the legendary enzyme, reverse transcriptase. It reads the mRNA and builds a complementary DNA strand. Basically, it's translating the message back into DNA language. Like saying, you texted me in RNA, but I reply in DNA. Step 3, removal of RNA strand. Once the DNA copy is made, we don't need the old mRNA anymore. Enzyme RNase H steps in like a cleanup crew and removes the RNA strand. And what's left behind? A single-stranded cDNA, the star of our show. Step 4, formation of hairpin loop. This single strand doesn't like being alone, so it folds back on itself to form a tiny hairpin loop at one end. This loop acts as a natural primer. Yes, self-love at its best. Step 5, synthesis of the second strand. Now DNA polymerase joins the party. Using that hairpin as a primer, it builds the second strand. And boom, we get double-stranded cDNA. 2 strands, 1 perfect copy. Step 6, removal of hairpin loop. But wait, that cute little hairpin? Time to say goodbye. Enzyme S1 nuclease cuts it off neatly, leaving us with a clean, double-stranded cDNA molecule. Snip, snip, job done. Step 7, addition of tails. Finally, the terminal transferase enzyme adds short single-stranded tails, usually poly A or poly G, at the ends. Think of them as sticky ends that help the cDNA easily attach to cloning vectors later. And that's it. From one tiny mRNA, we just created a cDNA molecule ready for cloning, expression, and pure genetic wizardry. So next time someone says DNA is the blueprint of life, remember? Sometimes scientists reverse engineer the blueprint itself.